Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Dove Nutritive Solutions Intense Repair Conditioner review. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for latest notifications, and like this video and share with your friends. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, you know that Dove is one of the very well-known brand in India. It is also easily available in the market and nearby shops. And many of us love using Dove products. And the best part I loved about Dove is that their smell. Their fragrance is so attractive, you won't need extra perfumes like if you are going for a party or celebrations. So whenever you want to use Dove conditioners, you must always combine with Dove shampoo so that you can get the better benefits and results from it. Now that was my positive view about Dove. Now let's talk about this particular variant of conditioner. I have already used this product for a very long time and it has also benefited me well. I have combined together this conditioner with Dove shampoo. So honestly speaking, whenever I apply only Dove shampoo, and sometimes I tend to forget applying conditioners after shampooing, and at that time, my hair becomes even more frizzy and dry if I don't use conditioners after shampooing. But yes, whenever I apply conditioner after shampooing, I can clearly notice that my hair is completely free from roughness and dryness. So this Dove conditioner makes my hair smoother and softer than before. Also, it gives nourishment to my hair, makes my hair easy to tangle, less hair fall and frizz free. It also makes hair bouncy. So you have to use this conditioner regularly, at least twice a week. So guys, now let's talk about its price and details. So this is 340 ml bottle and this will also cost you for 340 rupees. So it's a bit expensive, I must say. That's because the product gives 80% results to the hair. Its shelf life you will get is for only 1 year. Now let me check out the other details from the back side. This product claims that it's intense repair conditioner. Using only shampoo can often leave your hair dry and frizzy. Dove Intense Repair Conditioner with keratin actives deeply nourishes and reduces dryness, frizzy and flyaways. So yes, these are all about its claims. Now let me tell you the right uses of conditioner. So whenever you finish shampooing the hair, you should apply conditioner on the length of the hair, and please do not apply on the scalp because it's not good for the skin or scalp. If you do it so, then it might cause you skin effects like dandruff and so on. So after applying on the hair length, leave it on the hair for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then wash off with water thoroughly without leaving any conditioner on the hair. So when your hair is dry, you will definitely see that your hair is smoother, silkier and free from frizziness or roughness. So friends, if you want to purchase this one, you will find them from both offline and offline together. They have got different shapes and sizes. So yeah, I will provide the link in the description if you want in discounts, so do check it out. And this is a made in India product by Hindustan Unilever, so you can easily use it. So friends, I can recommend this product for you guys if you are interested. And if it doesn't suit you well, then you can stop using it. But first, if you are first time user, first try the pouch. If it suits you, then you can go for the bigger size. But for me, this product has suited me well. That's why I'm using this big size bottle. So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Share with your friends and families, and so that they can know the right information about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in my next video.